All right, let's look at this real estate model for out-of-state investors.
So many people are, right? But jumping into a new market feels, well, complicated.
This model zeroes in on Detroit, promising some pretty high potential cap rates.
So they offer 3 different paths. Let's start with the passive one.
This one is for anyone who just wants a simple, hands-off income stream.
They're all about turnkey properties. Basically, the hard work is already done for you.
You're typically looking at an all-in investment in this range for a single-family home.
And for that, the goal is about $7,500 in annual net income.
Okay, path number 2. This is for the active investor who wants higher returns.
This one starts with a total project cost of about $50,000.
From there, you've got 2 choices. Hold it as a rental or flip it.
Now, their flip strategy is pretty unique. You sell 90% but get to keep 10%.
And the target here? A massive 50% cash-on-cash return on that initial investment.
And get this, the target timeline to make that happen is only about 6 months.
So you see the trade-off, right? Easy passive income or a much faster, higher ROI.
But what if you don't have 50 grand to start? Well, there's a third path.
It's called fractional investing. You're basically buying a piece of a turnkey property. And this is the really cool part. You can get started for as little as $500. So you'd earn an estimated 8.5% annually, plus a cut of the profits when it sells. Okay, but what about the risk? That's a huge part of out-of-state investing.
And they're super upfront about it. New investors can easily get taken advantage of.
So their whole solution is a local team that knows Detroit inside and out.
So to wrap it up, you've got 3 clear paths, all depending on your goals.
So it's not just about investing. It's about which path fits you, which one is right for your future.